Hello Everly, this is your video lesson for March 5th. I think today's the 5th. I hope everything's okay. I'll see you next week. This week was exam week, so we will have our little test, a practice test for the Music Mastery Festival in April. This is I will just show you a quick look. Oh no, that's level 1. This is kind of what the exam will look like. It's one page. And then the next page is the ear training exam where I'll be playing something and asking you what you heard and to circle the right answer. So like here it's mezzo forte, piano forte. I'll play something and you tell me which one it is. Stuff like that. So I wanted to review today because I've noticed during this week some students are tending to get 2 questions wrong. So one of them is review also. If you want to, it would help you. Because I know that you have this packet somewhere in your music, this packet. Take this packet out and I will help you and I'll review with you. So the first note, whole note, 4 beats, that might be a question. Second note, half note, 2 beats, that might be a question. These all might be questions, but this is the easy A, so get these right. 4, 2, 1, 1. And then dynamics, piano, mezzo forte, forte. I know we've discussed this, so I'm not worried about those. And then name the white notes on the piano. As long as you know where to find C, you can figure the rest out. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now the next page, treble clef. You know treble clef. You know bass clef is your left hand, treble clef is your right hand. This question, now here, I haven't reviewed this one as well as I should have because this is the question that people are getting wrong. So steps and skips. Steps and skips. So take a second to look at those first 2 notes. So it starts on a C and then it goes to a D, right? Look at your music. C to D. So that would be a step because it's right next to each other. C to D. Now what about the next one? That's the first line is E. And then this every good butterfly does fly. The second line is G, so E to G. Those aren't right next to each other. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it's skipping. It's going from E and it's skipping to G. So the next one is a skip up. And then the third one looks like a G to an F. So what would G to F be? It would be a step down. A step down. Because it's not skipping down, it's just G to the next note down, F. And then the last one, they tell us it's a skip down, and let's see. It starts with try to guess, E, and then it goes to a C. It has that little line. These are tiny, 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 but we try our best to see them. I try my best to see them at least. So that would be a skip down. E to C is skipping. So review that this week because next week that might be on your test and it's confusing at times. And now naming notes. So these are all the notes we have to know. You play all of the notes. We play A a lot. We play B on the left hand, G and C a lot on the left hand. So take a look at this page on your packet. It's kind of hard to show you this way. But your right hand treble clef. Usually we play C, D, E, F, G. So take a second to play that on the piano. C, D, E, F, G. You can pause the video if you need to. And now with your left hand, locate C with your left hand on your thumb and play C, B, A, G. It'll sound like this. Oh, I have so many things on my piano right now. It wasn't a good idea, but C. That's my left hand, C, B, A, G. And then right hand, C, D, E, F, G. So I'll play a game also with you next week. I'll play this game, the note identification game, the note name game. But know that the C is on a line, then D is on the space before the staff, E is on the first line of the staff, F, face for spaces, first space is F, and then G, the second line of the staff. Every good butterfly does fly. And now bass clef. Bass clef is the tricky one. That's the one we usually forget. So C always has that line through it. And now, I want you to make a line with your hand. So this line, oh, there's a cat. There's one of my cats. So do this line with your hand, and this is A. The top line is A. You know the top line is A. Top line and bass clef A. And now B is going to be above the top line. So this is the note above the top line. This is B. And now the note below the top line is G. I don't know. It's G. So A, B, G. Do that one more time. A, B, G. So do A, do B, do G, do A, do G, do B, G, A, B, G, G. Okay, we're done. So, but that's a trick. So with that trick, you can figure out B, A, G, and you know that C has that extra line, just like the treble clef C. So that's just a little review for next week, because I want you to do well on the practice test, to do well on the actual test. So I will also send your mother the link to sign up. I should have been emailed. I'm really itchy back there. You can see all her hair. No, please, all the hair. I'll send your mom the sign up form to get you registered for next April 5th. And if you can't make it in person, you're also able to register for an online submission. So if you feel more comfortable and if you want me to administer the test. So yes, and now I want you to practice, play through Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars first, because I know we learned all of that one. And you can pause the video and play through that one. And now once you're done with that one, remember, did you use dynamics? Were you playing piano? Were you playing forte? Use that. And we're gonna move on to, I think, we're doing Siamese. We are Siamese. So look where your hands start for that one. It should be C, D, E, F, G, and then the same thing with the left hand. C, D, F, G, or it might be close together. I don't know. And play through that one. And then play through your lesson book or your theory book. I think last week we did lesson book, so play through your last song there. I don't want you to move on because I want you to study for this. So this week, study, play through the songs you know, and we're not gonna learn anything new except studying steps and skips and note identification. This is C, D, E, F, G, whatever it may be. Okay, so I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.